Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thank you for joining me today, and in this video I will be unboxing the Klipsch R-112SW subwoofer, and then I'll be doing a full-on review, setting this up in my theater room and hooking it up to one awesome Yamaha receiver. So stay tuned, let's check it out and see how it goes. Alright, here is our mesh cover for the actual subwoofer here. Klipsch cover, very nice looking. Check that out. Set that right here for now. Very well packaged. Just gonna tip it up on its side here. Extremely heavy, as you can only imagine. Very well packaged. Only thing left in the box is our power cord, some instructions there. Go ahead and put that grill back on. Check it out. Take a look at that. Alright you guys, I've gone ahead and lugged this subwoofer into the theater room of the house here, and just wanted to give you a good look at the back of this before I get it all set up. So on the back you'll notice you've got the on auto switch, you've got the phase switch, you've got the low pass, the gain, you've got an S video port. That's where the optional wireless transmitter can go on this unit that I'm going to go ahead and hook up next. And you've got your line in, which is going to go to your Yamaha receiver, whatever receiver you would hook up to it if you don't have the wireless transmitter. And your power cord, of course, and let's go ahead and get this bad boy hooked up. So I did get the optional wireless subwoofer kit from Klipsch. So this is the main piece right here that actually goes onto the back of the subwoofer. So the Klipsch subwoofers come with these little mounts right here already. And the kit is really simple. You have your sending unit and your receiving unit. Everything that you need basically. And the sending unit basically has this little cable right here that plugs into the back of your Klipsch subwoofer. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in. So basically just, it can only plug in one way. So you get that plugged in nice and secure. And then it should mount. Looks like it literally mounts right there. Right on those two little brackets that they've got. Now if you didn't have the wireless unit, you would be plugging in to the line in right here. And then you would go into your receiver, into your subwoofer on the receiver. And so that's all there is to it as far as getting this wireless kit going on the subwoofer side. Let me show you on the other side. Alright, so the other half of that unit is the Klipsch receiving unit, and I've gone ahead and mounted this on the inside of the component closet frame because it works a little bit better if it's up a little bit higher, and I found that line of sight works a little bit better. Just experimenting with this, kind of holding it in different places around the room. I've got that subwoofer all the way down to the front of the theater room, and I've kind of held this in different places just testing it, and so kind of had to run the cables for the unit. I've got the cable plugged into the back of the Yamaha receiver. So I've got the RX-A2070 Yamaha receiver, and it just goes into the front subwoofer. It's marked front subwoofer, and we're going to go ahead and power this thing on. Like I say, I've got it mounted onto the wall here. Got these cables marked out, and go ahead and test this baby out. Unit powers up, and the other thing you gotta do is sync these up once they're plugged in with the wireless. Solid green light on both the subwoofer, the sending unit, and the receiving unit means you are golden. Both synced up. Okay, I've got the Klipsch subwoofer all set up here and ready to go. I've got the cable management done. As you see there, plugged into the surge protector, and I've also placed it at the front of the theater room in a corner. They seem to do a little bit well if you can place them into a corner where they've got a place to fire towards your audience and something solid behind them. So let's check it out. Let's do a little test here and see what we got. Okay, verified subwoofer is powered on, ready to go, and wireless is talking. And of course, what better movie to verify this is actually working than Thor Ragnarok? The Yamaha receiver is set to Dolby Atmos and 9.2 channels, ready to rock and roll. Let's check it out.
I lost my hammer like yesterday, so that's still pretty fresh. And then I went on a journey of self-discovery, where I met you. Hello, the goddess of death has invaded Asgard.
Oh, I've missed this.
And you and I had a fight recently. Did I win? No, I won, easily.
Doesn't sound right.
Well, it's true.
Asgard is dead. And it'll be reborn in my image. I thought you'd be glad to see me.
I need to stop her here and now. To prevent Ragnarok, the end of everything. So I'm putting together a team. Like the old days. Surprise! This will be such fun. Hello.
Hi.
He's a fighter.
Here we go! I'm not a queen or a monster. I'm the goddess of death. What were you the god of again?
So as always, Klipsch does not disappoint. This is an awesome subwoofer, really deep rumbly sound. It shakes the whole room. I mean, I got in trouble. The wife come up and yelled at me, you know, imagine that. So again, if you're thinking about buying one of these, I would give it 2 thumbs up. Definitely do it. They go on sale every once in a while. There's a link in the description. Hey, be sure and like and subscribe. Check out these other awesome videos I've got going on, and thanks again for watching.